Hello and welcome to GCSE English. This is all about writing from a stimulus. So you need to be able to create an engaging piece of descriptive writing that is inspired by an image. Now, this particular question is very, very common in the GCSE English exams. So let's show you a few do's and don'ts about what you need to do. So first of all, using a stimulus is a form of writing to describe. So you should use all the methods of language, sentence structure, and narrative structure. Use the ideas in the image to develop your writing. You should not just describe the image you are given. The examiners are not testing your ability to spot things in a picture. They are testing your ability to come up with creative writing via a stimulus. Getting inspiration. So when looking at the stimulus image, ask yourself different questions to get yourself thinking about your creative work. Consider who, what, where, when, and why, and how. For example, when and where is this? What time of day and year is this? What is the atmosphere? Is it sad, happy, sinister? What events may have been happening here? How might people be involved with this? What is interesting, eye-catching, and intriguing? And are there small details that I could make important? So these are all the considerations that you should take into account when planning and writing from a stimulus. And this is all to do with that particular question in your GCSE English exam that has an image, and you've got to engage this piece of descriptive writing inspired by the image itself. Use your ideas to develop your writing in this sense, okay? To give you some more practice, you can answer the questions related to this particular task. And in our next lesson, we'll go over these in much more deeper detail. Good luck.